Guys, today we'll try to understand one of the beautiful feature Google Sheet has come up with to get access to all the Google functionalities onto the sheet. This beautiful feature is called Smart Chips. You can insert Google Smart Chips in Google Sheets from the insert menu. With Smart Chips, what you can do is users with Gmail or Google Workspace, you can include that information, which are your contacts on your Gmail or Google Workspace. You can include files, link to your files like Google Docs, Google Sheets, or slides, which are available on your drive. You can include calendar events onto the sheets. You can add places and maps or directions. You can add Google Finances, like the stocks or mutual funds which are available. We can check that. You can add YouTube videos, you can add ratings. So how do you do that? You can do that by just entering at the rate which is available on your keyboard above the number 2. Yeah. As soon as you press at the rate, it will give you list of options. As I have told you earlier, it will ask for people, files, dates, components. There's drop downs or ratings. Drop down we have already seen, and media, if any, that's emoji. So let's check one by one the various options that are available. But before that, we'll go to insert and see where the smart chips option are available. So you go to insert, you go to smart chips, yes, inserts smart chips, and you have all these options: people, file, calendar, events, place, finances, and rating. We start with people first. So I'll click on people. You'll see these are all the people who are available on my contact list. So if I select the person name at the rate, it is available here. Yes. Suppose I want to add one of the file that is available on my drive. I go to files. Yeah. I may try what of files I have. I love Google Sheet. This is the file on my drive. So I will say I want this file. So you have the file name as well here. Yes. And you can see, you can, if you hover over it, you can open this file directly from this. What else? We have added people. So there's people whoever contacts are available on your list. This is files, any files that is available on your Google Drive as such. So suppose now we go to the next option, which is we'll go from insert, we'll see at the rate calendar events. So right now there are no events in my calendar, so it is not showing up. So what I can do is I'll just go back to my account and put one event as such. Let me see if we can see that calendar event. So I will put an calendar event for tomorrow, which is 25th of Jan. Correct me, 24th of Jan. Yes. So I put an event on 24th of Jan saying at 11 a.m. meeting with my Google Sheet fans. Yes, I save it. Now let us see whether we are able to see that event. So I'll say at the rate meeting with Google Sheet fans. Oh yeah, you can see the event has been I listed here and I can see the event. Yes. If I again, this is event that we see right now, and I can go to the calendar event where it is placed. Yes. Next is we have so now till now we have seen how to add people, how to add file, how to add event. Pretty easy, I guess, right? Now we go to add place. So suppose I want to add a place, say Mumbai. Am I able to get it? Yeah. You see this? I'm able to get the place. Now, if I click on here, it shows me the map where I can see Mumbai as a region. So this was place. Yes, you can add any place you as you want. I say London, one of my favorite places. So here we have London as well. The next option that we have is finance. So finance, if I want to check any of the stocks. So the biggest stock in India is Reliance. And see Reliance Industries. Now, if I try to click on it, you'll see his stock prices, whether it has gone up, how much it has gone up by. Yes, you'll get ready information. And if you want to go into further details, just click on this arrow and the link will open up where you'll see the Reliance Industries share prices. I'll not go into details. So this is stocks, more to do with finances. Like finance. Yes. And the last option that we have is rating. So suppose you want to rate someone. Yeah. So it provides you with a drop down where you can just click on it and you'll get 1 to 5 rating. So if I want to select someone as 3 rating, I can do that. Yes. So this is very beautiful option that Google Sheet has provided to everyone. And this could be used in combination with workflows or for data analysis, specifically in finance sector, where you want live update on the data. So these things can be used in combination to get more and more data, more relevant data, and used in workflow. So this insert smart chips is a really, really beautiful option that they have provided here. What you need to do is just have to start with at the rate, and it automatically opens what you want to do. Or if you want a random thing like I'll put my name. So you can see if I put Nilesh Desai, which is my name, it comes up with all the information which is related to Nilesh Desai, which are places, calendar events which are there, which are and whatnot. But the files that are being related to me. Yes. So it's a really good tool to use to gather information from Google onto one place. I hope you like this option and you'll use it. Thank you.